would like to extend my warm gratitude to HRLN for supporting the community. But at the same time, I've also found the advocates sitting in the Manipur HRLN unit are not that much sensible to work with the trans community in Manipur, and also would like to ask Colin if there is any possibility to extend HRLN network in the entire Northeast. Then it will be very much helpful to the community, because we are far lagging behind in the queer movement of the country, and also we have very limited resources, and then we are less represented, and we have a very different realities. So when we talk about the national integrity, we also need to know the diverse community exists in the country. The response from the government is like, wait, we are also, you are also having this transgender rights bill. So we have to first look on this also. And we have got a judgment from the Manipur High Court. The PIL was filed by HRLN Manipur unit. The first PIL, in the first PIL, they did not consult me. I was not there, and then I realized that they have filed one PIL later on, and eventually I've requested HRLN people to impeach my name as a petitioner, and they have included my name, and the judgment came out in October 10th to look after the implementation of the Supreme Court NALSA judgment without mentioning the timeline of the implementation to the state. And they have also asked the government to look after the transgender rights bill and to make sure the implementation of this trans rights bills also, because I think that the controversy between the Supreme Court NALSA judgment and the trans rights bill was not well digested by the judge. So that's one thing. Yeah, it's like when talking about the trans rights bill, from my experience, the individual wanted to identify if there is a male or female, which is very contrary and opposite to Supreme Court NALSA judgment. So I had also shared some counterpoint from my end to Philip, so that he can use it as an information for filing PIL in future.
Thank you, Santan. So now we're going to, yeah.
Santan, I must apologize for my friends in the Northeast. And I say this because some of our advocates themselves are very backward in thinking.
Yes. Yes.
And it's so shocking to hear you say that, you know, you were excluded when the petition was filed. Obviously without understanding what is the real situation. So what I want to say for everybody here, for you in the Northeast, if you find a sensitive advocate, you please tell us. That advocate will join from the next day, especially for you. Or for the Northeast, I mean, generally, you, I mean, Northeast. And if you find that a particular advocate that I give you is not good, immediately keep him out or her out. Find advocates for yourself, we will also find. But if you find, we will take them immediately. I'm really, you know, I understand this happens all the time, but it's very sad for me.
It's very, it's not for, I was specifically talking about Northeast only, but actually it's not for Northeast only, it's for the entire country. Because we have been used as a kind of, what to say, specimen. Researcher will come, they will take away everything.